Okay. Freelanpreneur program వచ్చి నేను Instagram లో స్క్రాల్ చేస్తుండేటప్పుడు stories లా I just came across your ad, and then you were telling that quit your 9 to 5 job and start your business around your lifestyle. So దాన్ని చూసి నేను call కి apply చేస్తే, and initially I thought I didn't know that this would be a digital marketing course. I was thinking of something else, but then once I got into the call, the digital marketing program and తెలిసింది. So experience వచ్చి నేను అనుకున్నట్లు difficult గా ఉండలేదు. It went through, it was easy. మీరు చెప్పిండే videos through step by step follow చేసిన దానికి నాకు it was easy, and then the experience was also good, and నాకు 1 month లోగానే నాకు first client close అయ్యింది. So yes, నేను difficult అనుకోండి తప్పు. I was able to do it, and I'm very glad